Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will learn about how to make Wix website from scratch. First go to Google and search for Wix. Navigate to wix.com and click on get started. I will continue with Google. You can select Facebook and other options are available. I will choose this account. As simple as 1 2 3 and done. So here it is. I have signed up. Let's get started. Let's bring your ideas live. I want to make online store. Click on next. I want this one. You can add blogs, you can add music, videos, Instagram feed, for example restaurant menus, food orders. It's just for educational purpose, for demo purpose. Have you created a website before? I've created many. This is my first. I've created many although, but I'll click on this is my first time because this video is just for pure beginners. Let's Wix ADI create a website for you. Start now or choose a template. So here we are having two options. The first one is for beginners and the second one is that you will choose your own template. I will click on this one and select the one which you like. View full demo. You can also view demo just like this. This is the demo of the site. Your site will look like this. So I will click on this one and click on edit. You will be redirected to wix.com. It will take a while. You will wait for it first. So Wix is creating your website, that's why it's taking some time. Here, unlike traditional methods like WordPress and designing your own website like programming HTML, JavaScript, this method is very easy. It's just drag and drop. You will drag which one like this, drag and drop. T-shop, I will enter my store. You can change anything you like, you can drag anything you like. This is very easy method of creating website. You can change background, you can add many themes, you can change menu and all that stuff. So then once you edit all these, then click on publish, save and continue. So they are giving me a free domain. I can change it to a premium domain later. Your site is live, your site is saved, done. So I will preview it, visit site. So here our website is created in just a few steps. So this video was just for pure beginners. If you want more videos, I will upload for like how to change domain and many more things, how to work with APIs and all. So thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up if you like it. Goodbye.